Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to teach you how to play Tell Me by JWillyGuy. Oh. Hey, what's going on? I'm going to teach you how to play Tell Me by JWillyGuy. He's a really cool, underrated artist, but that's just me. It's me. It's my song, okay? Somebody requested that I did a tutorial for it. It's a really fun song to play, okay? So I respect them completely, and I thank you for wanting to learn my song. Anyway, this song only has 3 chords, and they're super easy, so yeah, let's get to the chords. All right, so there's only 3 chords in this song, and they're super easy beginner chords, so we're gonna go run through these chords. I play the same chords throughout the whole song, and in the same order, so nothing crazy about it. And then after I show you the chords, we're gonna go to the strumming pattern, and I'm gonna show you guys how I pretty much play through the whole song. So the first chord is a G. The way that I like to play the G is putting my middle finger on this bottom string of the 2nd fret, my ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and my pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. G. The second chord is a B7. I know it sounds weird, but guess what? It's super easy. You put your pointer finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, your ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger, top string, 4th fret. It's just like an E minor, but just up 1 string on each finger. And then the chord after that is a simple C, which is just this bottom string on the 3rd fret. And that's the whole song. G, B7, and C. Now let me show you the strumming pattern. So what I like to do for the strumming pattern in this song is just a down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, so it sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, up. And the way I play it is 1 time on the G, 1 time on the B7, and then 2 times on C. So the whole song will sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, B7, down, down, up, and then C. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And I do that for the verses and the chorus, but the last line of the verses and the chorus, I play the C 4 times instead of 2 times. So I'll play through a normal one, and then I'll show you what it'll look like at the end. So a normal one would sound like this. And then the second one, or the last one of the verse and the chorus is when I switch between them, goes like this. So you play through it 3 times, and then on the 4th one, you just go down. You don't play the up, down, up afterwards. So just like that. Down, down, up, down, up on the G. Down, down, up, down, up on the B7. Then down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down on the C. And that's basically the whole song. So let's go ahead and play through it. Whee! Okay. It's this chilly weather in my Spider-Man sweater that makes me think about the things we could have together. But you barely text me or talk at school. Well, I mean, sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. I don't know if you really care about me. I don't know if you really care about me. I don't know if you really care about me. So would you just tell me? I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Tell Me by myself, JWillyGuy. If you like nerdy, like Star Wars stuff, you can check out this channel right here. If you want to subscribe, you can click this down here. And then if you want to see some more of my tutorials, click that video up there. So yeah, that's the whole playlist there. So thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.